Alright, so after we made our tortita, and I had some the chile verde sauce that I made. Mmm. Oops. It's delicious. Mmm. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Take another bite. Mmm. My bomb. It's just a ham sandwich, but in a bolillo. It's amazing. I'm gonna get some more. And then, of course, we're not finished. So we're gonna add a little bit more of the sauce, chile verde sauce, homemade, and get another bite. Mmm. Oops. This is definitely good eating. Homemade green sauce, homemade bolillo, I mean torta. You got it going on. And then just keep putting on some of that sauce. Keep munching on it. Mmm. Delicious. A bit more. Mmm. Nice thing about making it by yourself or at home is you can put whatever condiments you want. If you like mayo, mustard, or whatever, just put it on. And then here we go, another bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Delicious. It literally tastes freaking bomb. Ugh. Can't get any more than this, man. A bit more sauce. Nice big bite. Mmm. Delicious. And then after you're done with your last bite, right now I'm gonna go for the middle part because the end parts have a bunch of bread. And don't get me wrong, I like bread, but I like the food first. Mmm. So we're getting towards the end. Let's get it. Alright, so here we go with another bite. Mmm. So as you can tell, we're thoroughly enjoying this. It's just too good. I think in under 5 minutes we're going to be done. I didn't really time it, but it feels like 5 minutes. Because when you're enjoying something and it tastes good, feels good, whatever, you don't really keep track of time. It just keep going. And that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so here's our last couple of bites. And again, all it is the bolillo, some ham, and cheese. It's up to you what cheese you want. In this instance, it's pepper jack cheese. And then for the salsa, I posted a video, a couple of videos actually, on how to make it. So, if you want to make it taste extra yummy, check out the other videos. Let's go. And then so here we are to the end. We're gonna have our last bite. A little bit of sauce. It's been good the whole way through. It's amazing. Always eat at home. It's a lot better. And if you don't know how to cook, there's only a YouTube link away to show you how to make whatever you want to make.